Absolute destruction.
What is up? We are back, Pyro Nation, with Dark Matter. Planet X fireworks, 500 gram, 25 shots, pretty large cake. We'll take a peek up top, and where is the description of the performance? This hard-hitting cake starts with red coconut bursts with white and green glitter. Gold chrysanthemum mines with giant bursts of gold chrysanthemums, and foul ending with a volley of giant bursts of red and blue dahlias. Take a look inside. Here you go. We got ourselves a nice little fan cake. I'm guessing 25 shots, either boom, 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 or 5 at a time. We have 5 volley. So we'll see. That's my my guess. Spin it around and get to look at the rest of the stuff. There's the Planet X symbol again right here. Pretty cool looking colors. All right, so Dark Matter Planet X fireworks. Dark Matters. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow.